What's the meaning of compulsory? Compulsory. Compulsory.
Compulsory. Compulsory. Compulsory refers to something that is required or mandatory, and cannot be avoided or neglected. It is often used in the context of laws, regulations, or rules that must be followed. For example, wearing seatbelts in a car may be compulsory by law, or attending certain classes may be compulsory for students in school. Failure to comply with compulsory requirements may result in penalties or consequences. Overall, compulsory emphasizes the necessity of performing a specific action or following a specific rule.